Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel friends. Today I am going to share with you Bengali style pumpkin leaves recipe with roasted rice and fish head. For making this recipe, I have taken a fish head, sprinkled some salt and turmeric powder and rub the fish with salt and turmeric powder both sides and keep aside for 10 to 15 minutes to marinate it. Next, turn on the heat, put a kadai, add a pinch salt and appropriate amount oil. After oil is hot, add the fish head one by one. Gently drop the fish head into kadai. Fry the fish head over medium heat until it is lightly brown color. Fry one side until the bottom is set and then flip the fish. Fry both sides until it is lightly golden brown color. See like this. Then transfer it into a bowl and keep aside. Next I am going to roast some rice. So I have added 2 tablespoon rice. Roast the rice over low flame until color change. See, it is lightly color change. Allow it to cool, then add in the grinder jar. Add some green chili and some pieces of ginger along with the roasted rice. Grind coarsely, don't make fine powder. Next, in the same kadai, add a tablespoon oil. After oil is hot, add a dried red chili and a teaspoon pachforon. Saute until fragrant, then add the chopped pumpkin leaves. I have taken 6 to 7 pumpkin leaves. Add half a teaspoon turmeric powder and half a teaspoon cumin powder. Add a teaspoon salt. Add salt according to your taste. Well, combine the spice. Next I am going to add the fried fish head. Break the fish head lightly like this. Don't break it completely and well, combine the fish head with pumpkin leaves. Put a lid and cook over low flame for 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 to 6 minutes, take off the lid one more time. Give a good mix. Well, combine. When the fish head and pumpkin leaves are 50% cooked, then add half glass hot water. Cover with the lid and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes until it boils. Then add roasted rice along with green chili and ginger. Whenever you will add the green chili and ginger with roasted rice, it enhances the flavor of the recipe. Next, take off the lid and give a good mix. Turn to medium-high heat. Cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. See, our rice is well cooked. Next, add half a teaspoon salt. Add salt according to your taste. Friends, it's a Bengali style authentic recipe. Usually this recipe is made only with roasted rice, but I have added pumpkin leaves to make it more nutritious and tasty. Friends, if you think this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.